Welcome back to my channel. I'm KAVIARKEZ. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be styling this beautiful closure wig. It's giving frontal. It's giving everything you need. Stick around for all the details about today's wig and install. Today's hair sponsor is Eayon hair. I have worked with them a few times on my channel already. It's just giving grown and sexy. What I have installed is a 20-inch 5x5 body wave HD closure wig. It's definitely a glueless wig for sure. I did bleach the knots on this wig and I let it air dry. Definitely HD. Look at that, you guys. It really is glueless. I'm just gonna take out just some sideburns because I just want to hide that little, what do you call it? The closure part, the tab, the thing beside the lace. I'm gonna get my curling tools ready because we are gonna be curling her. Put in some Headband spray. I am definitely going for the middle part, as you might have guessed. I definitely did bleach the knots. I wouldn't say it's over bleached, but it's just not as clean of a part as I would want. Going in with the dye pen. In with my wax stick. Okay, we're gonna clean up this part right now because it is driving me crazy. Now I'm gonna clean it up. And I like to spray some hairspray over that. I'm taking pretty big sections because I don't want my curls to be too small. Curious to see how different the curl is going to look with my curling iron. Definitely is nicer curls, but the curling iron is taking a lot longer. I might use it to detail the curls. Do you see the difference? Like this one is just bigger compared to this one is more narrow. I'm gonna use both. I'm gonna use the curling wand and the curling iron. I'm gonna use the curling iron towards the front of my face, like on the sides, and then like kind of the hard spots, I'm gonna use the curling wand because it's just easier that way. If you guys have one of these little curling tools and you spin it around, I swear to you, it gets hotter. Try it and let me know. I'm gonna go in with some Bio Silk. Definitely HD, and it is so cute. The 5x5 is giving everything it needs to give. I love it. It's super soft. I did bleach the knots on my wig prior to install. I did clean up the part because we did have a little episode where we had, you know, the part kind of looking like it was running away, hiding from us. So we popped her out and she's ready to play. This hair, you guys, absolutely gorgeous. Look at it. Super bouncy, super soft. It took really well to the curling iron and curling wand. I like how it's pretty full throughout the entire wig. It's not giving thin towards the ends, and I can run my hands through it. Not everyone has time for frontals. Frontals is a lot of work. Let me know when you're rushing out of the door and you don't have your wig on. Do you reach for a frontal or do you reach for one of your closure wigs? I will always reach for one of my closure wigs. This is so cute, you guys. Love it. I love how the curls turned out. I don't have a single bad thing to say about this wig. It's just gorgeous. Definitely recommend. This is a 10 out of 10 for me. You guys should check them out. I'm gonna leave all the information to Eayon Hair in the description box. Thumbs up this video before you go and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already so you don't miss out on any future uploads or giveaways that I do. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye.